Before we start the proceedings, I would like to welcome and invite our dignitaries for the auspicious lamp lighting to commemorate the inauguration of the event.
Welcome to all of you for this event today, VDMA Symposium on Robotomation, Robotic Automation Trends in the Manufacturing Industry.
You can deploy more and more automation, you can deploy more and more methods to do the automatic inspection or introduce the robots for improving the productivity. That is what I think the message is as we go forward.
Korea is highly automized. Already China, so going back like 15 years, China was on the same level as India. And nowadays, India is 7 robots installed by 10,000 employees. So the potential is tremendous.
In about 25 countries, 10 states in India. We service about 2.5 lakh retailers across the country. Along with that, we operate about 90 retail stores, and along with that, we do business on omni-channels, where be it e-commerce or quick commerce or physical stores or supermarkets. You name it, and we are trying to be present there. So the big question amidst all of this is that where do I fit in?
The Indian industrial automation market is anticipated to grow due to the government's initiatives such as Make in India as well as Digital India.